As you're building account maps in Lucidchart, you may want to add contacts that belong to another account in Salesforce. To view and use contacts from another Salesforce account, click on the File menu in the top left-hand corner of the page. Select Import Data, Salesforce, and then Account Map. If you haven't authenticated into Salesforce, you'll be asked to quickly log in so Lucidchart can access your contacts. You'll then see this window that asks you to search for an account. Type the name of any of your accounts, click on the account below, and select Import. You'll see all the contacts listed on the left side of the editor with the account name located at the top. You can collapse the contacts at any time by selecting the arrow next to the name of the account. This is particularly helpful if you have contacts from multiple accounts on your account map.